show. I don't know if you can quite make that out up there, but he's got a bunch of chickens on a pole hanging off his motorbike. Farm fresh in Cambodia. If we get closer or pass them, we'll give you a little look. But either way, we'll just go ahead and give you a little ride into town. Still the construction goes on. Lots of construction. So much so the air quality doesn't seem to be doing good. I don't know if you can tell, but there's lots of dust in there. You stir up all the vehicles and cars going by. And all kinds of smoke, burning and stuff. So yeah, it's interesting. We'll go back to regular zoom. That's a bunch of chickens on a pole hanging from the motorbike. Anyway, the hotels and stuff look nice on the wall. Yeah, the little stands, more construction. Lots of construction going on. Probably a good thing. Maybe it's a good thing, maybe it's not. I don't know. I hear lots of people complaining about it, but it could take a year or so or more, maybe. I don't know. With that said, peace, love, and chicken grease. Please like and subscribe.